Growling Tigers for making it to the Final Four for the 7th straight season. Beating the others, the Lady Falcons 95-66. The Growling Tigers are not 9-0. We have Coach IDO, Ken Pastrana, and Erin McLary. Coach, congratulations for this victory. What can you say right now? 7 straight seasons na Final Four. So what is the testament na yun nga, maganda yung tinatakbo ng programa and you have a chance this year to reclaim the throne?
Again, it's a total team effort for the girls today, especially on our defense in the second half. We started to pick up and limited Adamson to 26 points, 13 in the third and 13 in the fourth. So we're happy that we got our 9th win today.
Thank you to Kent. You have 19 points, 12 rebounds, 3 steals, 1 assist, 1 block, and plus 20. So yun nga, ito na yung first step. At least, nasa Final Four na kayo sa final season mo. So, ano yung next, moving forward, ano yung hahanapin namin sa iyo para syempre, ma-accomplish yung mga next goals mo?
Personally, I need to improve my defense, of course. Yung disiplina sa defense, effort sa defense, and of course, doon ako nag-focus ngayon para mas makahelp ako sa mga kasama ko. And of course, I need to improve din siguro yung pagiging vocal ko as a leader sa loob ng court para mabigyan ko rin ng mas magandang example yung mga teammates ko para mas ma-lead ko sila into a good result sa game po namin. And of course, we're gonna focus on the next game po namin against UP po. Thank you.
Thank you. And to Erin, you had 8 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steals in 8 minutes. So you're going to be one of the cornerstones of the USD's future. So what can you say about that, the playing time given you by coach? What can you say?
For me, I think it's just really important that I do quality minutes. So just when I'm on, make the most of it and figure out how to contribute to the team as best as I can.
Thank you. Okay, Loris, okay.
Sige, mag-English kayo ngayon. Dati parati nyo akong inaano ngayon.
Coach, of course, with an undefeated record, parang it looks like parang easy, for UST at this point na, lalo na ang agad nyo nakapasok sa Final Four. But looking at how the team has played this season, how are you liking how yung kumbaga, parang nag-hurdle sila ng challenges and yung competitiveness ng team for the whole season?
I think yung final score doesn't say na it's gonna be easy for this season. It's all hard work pa rin. After season 87, talagang we prepared for this season na ma-reclaim namin yung crown, and slowly but surely we're on target of our goal right now. Nasa Final Four kami ngayon, and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yung mga wins namin for this second round. We're gonna work hard for it. Sabi ko nga sa girls kanina sa dugout na it's not about the winning streak or unbeatable record. It's how we show up every game, yung hunger namin to win every game sa season.
Ken, for the past few years, parang kayo yung humahabol dun sa Corona, but now parang with the dominant record, parang kayo yung team to beat them. Even more than nung defending champions kayo. Siguro, how's the team handling yung kakaibang position nyo ngayon deep within the season?
Siguro hindi lang masyado namin iniisip yung standing namin ngayon, yung panalo namin. Mas nagpo-focus kami kung paano kami mag-improve every day. And of course, doon kami nagpo-focus kung sino yung kalaban namin and ano yung game plan namin. And syempre, as individual sa amin, gusto namin mag-improve every day kahit 1%. And syempre, para mas maganda yung performance namin at the end of the season. And hopefully, mas matapos namin yung season na mas tuloy-tuloy yung mas magandang result na ginagawa namin.
Coach, 7 straight Final Four appearance nga and only missing the Final Four once during your tenure with USC. So, ano na lang sinasabi dun sa programa na gusto mong ipang-i-build? Hindi lang sa college level, pero also dun sa grassroots program ng UST.
Of course, kasama yung high school program dyan. There are a lot of players coming off the high school program. Si Karil, si Barbie, si Jean, si Bridget. That says a lot of the culture of UST when it comes to women's basketball program.
Erin, for you, how's the adjustment to Philippine basketball so far through 9 games here in the UAP?
It's been very different from what I'm used to in Australia, but I think every game I've learnt new stuff, and each game I just try to improve as much as I can, and I think I've adjusted to it better this round than last round.
Erin, how's the experience of learning from great players like Ken Pastrana, Diego Serrano, and the other players here in UST?
It's an amazing experience, especially Kent, because we play more similar positions. It's definitely pushed me to become a better player as well, and yeah, Ken's definitely one of my inspirations to play.
Ken, yun nga, final year sa UST, ganon lang nakikita mo sa future yung magiging role ni Erin?
Yun nga, palagi siya namin kinakausap sa train kahit ang hirap niya kausapin kasi super English eh. Pero tinatry namin yung best namin na mas matulungan siya and of course ma-adapt niya yung culture ng UST and program ng UST. And si Erin naman mabait naman, nakikinig naman kahit hindi niya kami minsan naiintindihan. Pero nagigets niya kung ano yung pinopoint namin sa loob ng court. And we're very happy as a team kasi lahat kami alam namin na iisa lang yung goal namin eh. And lahat kami gustong-gusto manalo every game. So, I'm very happy din kay Erin kasi pinili niya yung UST na tulungan niya din kami. And I'm so proud of her kasi kahit nahihirapan siya sa amin mag-communicate, ginagawa niya yung best niya para mas makatulong po sa team.
Coach, in terms of coachability naman, kamusta po si Erin? Of course, isa pang mahirap with field foreign players, yung culture different ng basketball kung saan sila nanggaling. How was it sort of integrating her into this type of basketball?
I think yung first time Erin comes here, very difficult for her to adjust because away from her family, her siblings, di ba? Pinaramdam lang namin that we're family, that we had her back anytime na she has a problem, nandito kami to support her. And in regards to basketball naman, Erin is very coachable. Sometimes lang, she doesn't want to shoot, but today, I think hindi pa niya nakikita her full potential as a player here sa UST. So, slowly but surely, she'll get into it and become a great player for UST.
Congratulations for